All right, Smart Money Gang, welcome back to the channel, guys. So you already know, and I understand why you guys clicked on this video, right? Today we're going to be going over the one candle Jeremy Cash strategy, right? So, guys, this is how exactly my breakdown, the exact way I would use this strategy. Trust me, guys, it's more methodology and psychology into different things. So, it all depends on the way you use this strategy. Yes, it will work, guys. So, small disclaimer, guys, I am not a financial advisor whatsoever, so I cannot tell you how to spend your money, where to spend your money, and things of that nature. What I do offer, though, is mentorship, right? So that learning curve that took me 2 to 3 years to actually learn, or to actually be profitable, right? Um, I'm going to give you guys that methodology and psychology personally, right? One-on-ones, access to VIP signals, the exact way and breakdown of how I trade, right? And how I'm profitable in the market each and every week, each and every day, okay? So if you're interested in things like that, then SMSFXMentors.com, guys, go ahead and sign up, and then I'll see you on the other side, right? But for those of you who are new to this channel, just like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and continue to come to this channel to learn, right? I index this channel to give you guys all the different types of strategies, things like that to use, but you guys still need to practice these things on like demo. But you guys need to understand that you know, you need to practice them, back test it before you try to use it with live money, right? And then after that, before you really want to put live money into your accounts, guys, so you won't go under that trail that I was under, just giving the money my market, just giving the market my money at the money. What I would do is seek out mentorship. So I would find guidance from someone, right? I'm not saying get it from me. I'm not saying get it from this person, that person, or this person, right? But understand, you know, try to understand Forex, guys. So I've indexed this channel so that you guys, beginners, can come on here and index the channel and actually learn and grow, and then go seek mentorship once you guys are serious and want to load it up with cash. All right. So you already know what it is. Let's get it, gang. We're gonna hop right into the video, man. I'm gonna share the screen, and then we're gonna hop right into this one candle action strategy. So what you want to do is you want to go over here to the indicators, and then you want to pull up the RSI, right? All right, so you want to pull up the RSI, and then let's see, we're gonna click on here and go to the RSI. You can turn them whatever colors you want. So now you got the upper band at 70, you got the middle band at 50, and then you got the lower band at 30. So what you can do is, what I'll do to make mine pretty, I'll make the upper band red. I'm gonna make the middle band, it can stay you know, black. And then my lower band, I will make it a blue color. All right. So now I can make it a little thicker. Come here, make it a little thicker. And then upper band, make it a little thicker. All right. So now I got upper band is telling me that price is oversold. The middle band is telling me price could be ranging, and then the lower band is telling me like you know, price is time to buy. Right. Right. Oversold. Um, oversold. Sorry. Overbought. Sell. Oversold. Buy. Right. Middle band consolidation. All right. So, and then you got the background, but I take the background off, guys. Or you can turn it whatever color you want. But now I understand what's going on. Okay. Price get to this blue point. Okay. That's why price pushed up. It started buying up, right? Let me see. Price got to this oversold point, right? And then after that, price sold back down. So you see the probability in my trades when I'm using my RSI or my stochastic. Pretty much whatever I'm using, guys. It's a million different strategies out here. It's a lot of them that's 100% winning rate, 90% winning rate, right? So I always tell my story. You know, I can give you a 90% winning rate. You can win 9 trades straight, 10 pips in a row. That's 90 pips, you up. So then you go for your last trade, your 10th trade, right? So that's 10 out of, you know, nine out of 10, right? You won. So this 10th one you go for, you lose, and you lose for 100 pips, right? So without the proper risk management and things of that nature, right, it's pointless, because at the end of the day, now you just lost 100 pips, which make you down 10 pips. So you're still negative 10 pips for the week or for the day, whatever it is, however many trades you took. You know what I'm saying? Or out of the 10, 9 out of 10, you won 9 of them, you lost 10, right? And you still didn't even break even. You're negative 10 pips. All right. So a 90% winning rate means nothing if you don't understand the game. So earlier I gave this pre-market analysis, guys. So if you go look at it, all we was doing was following structure. So now we're on a daily time frame too as well, guys. So we're in a daily time frame. At first, this 7,000 number is where price was, where price had closed at, right? So it closed under the 7,000 level. So that made me already mentally prepared for this 7,000 level. Okay. If price do not make a new higher high, right, and it's no break of structure, then I already understand that, okay, when price coming down, right, coming down, we below the 7,000. So, it failed to come above the 7,000, stay above the 7,000, and keep pushing up to the upside. What it did was it came up, failed to break structure, failed to make a new high, stayed under the 200 EMA, and actually started pushing down. So once we got past this 14 EMA or 7 EMA, I don't know which one it is right now. Price pushed all the way down, right? Price pushed all the way down. So now how you would use this one candle strategy is you need to find these numbers on the side for entry points. All right, so we could say this 69,800 level would have been the entry point. 79,800 level is an entry point. Boom. Now, so that was an entry right here. So then the 69,600 level was an entry point. Right, so boom, we'll mark that 600 flat. And then we know that, so now, okay, under the 7,000, that's first entry. 69,800, second entry. 69,600, third entry. 69,500, fourth entry. And then we at the 69,300 level, right, will be a fifth entry, right? So we got to pull back. We need to try to see price want to, how many, we got 48 minutes left on this candle. So if price try to close above this 69,300 level, we're going to see it close above it. And then we want to see the candles that's forming this way, so we won't miss out. So now, okay, let's just say price come down here, fail to make a lower low, or it push down here and close below here. And we'll wait for this next candle to come out below here, and then we'll start getting in, and we'll take it down to maybe the 69,000 level, 6,800 level. But the best, I guess, the way he uses this strategy is he wait on the retracement. So what happened was price shot all the way down here below the 69,300, and it's starting to pull back now. It's starting to pull back, right? And it's not too much volatility in there. So I'm pretty sure that this trade or this strategy worked when there's volatility in the market. So when it blew, so basically when it closed below the 7,000, say it blew through this 69,800, right? It came through this blew through the 69,800 to like 714. Then it pulled back to this 69,800 level, right? So the momentum in that trade, and as it made a lower low, you waited for that pullback and you enter in at the 69,800, or you could have put a limit in at the 69,800. So when it pulled back to this 69,800, it filled your order and then pushed all the way down to the downside. All right, same thing here. It came and cracked through here, and then it actually probably pulled back to this 69,600 level, right? So then that's would have been your next entry, right? And that's how you would use this one candle strategy. So then it kept pushing back down after that, right? Once you miss that 69,600 level, then the 69,500 level, which is a key level, after it broke through here, I'm pretty sure it retraced back, right? And we was trying to make sure, hey, okay, is it going to be level out this level? But it didn't. And what it did was, it retraced back a little bit. And then if you'd have got your entry in, you could have caught it and rolled it down some more, right? So I'm pretty much sure that's how you would use this strategy, right? And so, as price pull back more, you can put more entries in. I see him like putting more entries in as far as that. So now, boom, we go down to the RSI. We see we still have enough room to get down to the to this buy mark, or to this oversold mark. We see price is not really oversold. It's following structure. It came here, right? Failed to make a new high, then it started coming down here. Now it came back to this level and then it bounced up from this level. So we're going to see it push back down to this level, guys. So we have enough room to get back in for this trade as long as, in the next 45 minutes, price doesn't close above this level right here and it pushes back through, then we know, excuse me, then we know we got room to push down to the next level. Excuse me, guys. I ain't trying to be rude. And so that's how we would basically do it, right? We've seen price come here, boom, get to this level, right? And then push back up and closes off around at this 69,400 level. So the 69,400 level, we mark that up, right? And then we see, all right, stochastic was really low. Once it got to that level, it was oversold. And then a lot of buyers stepped in and pushed price back up. So what you got to do is you just got to make sure you pay attention to the candle. This is the daily candle, and this is what you would use it off of. I'm pretty sure you can use it off different time frames, right? So you could probably go down to the 4 hour and see a candle moving, and then watch it retrace, pull back, and then you get your entries in, get you some entries in, and let it go back up, right? That's pretty much what this candle did, right? So we got some big movements right here, here, here. That's why we will more than likely use this one candle strategy on the daily. You can actually go down after you put in the work. You can go down and then actually mark off levels where you feel, area of interest, right, or probability, and confluences, and then you would take that trade. So I'm trying to watch it as it go. As you see it keep pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. But we got about 44 minutes before this candle closed. So we're probably going to see some more push, 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 unless it reject. But right here, I see that it made a lower low. So, price still have a chance. As long as it closes under here, we might still be heading down. If it closes above here, we might have to switch our plan up because we see we had rejections here, rejection here, rejection here. We're starting to get a rejection here. So we'll see, right? If it closes above here, then we'll see this next candle printing out, probably pushing down. If it fail to break this level and push down, and then create a lower low, then we know, okay, we'll start pushing this price back up, price back up, price back up. And then we'll sequence these numbers right here. So price shoot back up to here, then start coming down. Then we'll get another entry in here, then shoot up. Then it start coming back down. Then we get an entry here, shoot up, and start coming back down, another entry. You get it? So that is the one candle strategy, guys. Now, how do you use this strategy and how could you be effective? Me personally, I would try to use volatile pairs. And so and stuff like that, those are volatile pairs, right? During different sessions. So what I would do is I would seek out, try to learn the sessions, Google the sessions, or you guys can always come to the free Discord and the free things that I have to offer, my website, and it'll let you know the sessions, the exact sessions and things of that nature, guys. I hope this video was pretty much helpful. I hope you guys can start getting into the markets and actually making money, and seeing it for yourself. And then after that, once you get serious, after demoing and things of that nature, then you guys will come on over to the class, to the course. We'll do risk management. We'll show you risk to reward. We'll show you, moments when price is volatile. We'll pick out the right session for you to trade, things of that nature. You'll get my exact psychology and methodology on how I take my trades and why I'm patient in taking my trades, why I don't have FOMO anymore. You can get my whole learning curve, guys. And to me, I feel like that is, it's really uh no cap on what price you can put on it. But like I said, I'm here for beginners. So I try to keep my price as low as possible so that you guys can come here and actually, be able to learn, get a chance to actually learn. A lot of people actually really want to learn and they really they frightened by certain people because the way they talk to you and the way they say things, or they might tell you, why did you do this and all that. We're not here to yell. We're not here to do none of that. We all human. We're going to make mistakes. Nobody's perfect at trading. I don't try to say I'm better than anyone or I'm the best at trading at all, because I learn something new every single day, guys. When I see this strategy, and sometimes I actually use it when I'm scalping and things of that nature, or when I'm just trying to figure out, okay, is price going to continue to do something else? um and then I can actually use this to my benefits, right? Because I understand that, okay, everything on this side right here is numbers. So if I know that, all I'm doing is just looking for certain numbers to get to, for price to enter and to exit. All right, so pretty much, guys, this is pretty much how you use the strategy. This candle literally started way up here or up here somewhere. Yeah, up here, and now it's all the way down here. So guys, it really helps to understand, the sessions and things of that nature. But you already know, man, y'all want that type of mentorship, man, and y'all want to understand Forex a little bit more better, man. SMSFXMentors.com. SMSFXMentors.com. Follow me on all my social medias because I do give out hints, tips, analyze charts, and trading ideas, right? So for free, guys. So go ahead and take advantage of that. And as you see, I'm always giving you guys the heat, right? So this is the Jeremy Cash one candle strategy. Like I said, this is more so how I would use it. I would break it down into numbers, and then I will wait for certain numbers, and I will wait for certain structures to develop before I will enter into any type of trades. So go down the channel, go look at structures, go look at sniper entries, go look at trends within trends, go look at all of that, right? And then try to use that, put it all together, demo it out first. I wouldn't put my live money on it. I would demo it out, test all these strategies out, because strategies are wonderful, guys. I love strategies, but that is not the bulk of, that's not the holy grail that you guys are looking for. You want to look for understanding. You're trying to understand the charts, right? So and fundamental analysis and sentiment analysis and things of that nature. So join the free Discord. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it, man. It's quick, simple strategy. You guys can try to check it out, use it. If you know, right? And catch all them pips, man. And hey, do what you got to do, right? Just don't pay an arm and a leg for it. I do offer my one-time fee at $199.99. You have a lifetime guarantee with me, one-on-one sessions with me, my exact methodology and psychology. I'm not all the way up here, so guys, you will get that one-on-one with me. We will set you up a trading plan, and then we will have you guys on your road to success, right? Starting up your career, right, in Forex. So let's get it, man. SMSFXmentors.com. And you already know where y'all seen it first. Let's get it, gang.